Guys, I wanted to get a video up more geared towards beginner tips, things that I wish I knew when I was starting out that I know now. Hopefully you guys can use some of these tips, and hopefully this video comes out informative like I want it to. So let's get in with ribbon. Sorry, I just ran up my stairs. I don't do cardio enough. I order ribbon. This is the only place I've ordered ribbon from Hairbow Center. This is what it is, Hairbow Center. I just go online, hairbowcenter.com, and it pops up. I ordered this last week. It is 1.5 inch width of grosgrain ribbon, Hairbow Center brand. I ordered 10 yards and it costs $3.05 for 10 yards, people. That is an amazing price for the quality. I love the quality of it. I ordered the coordinating 3/8 inch width, 10 yards also for I think like 78 cents for 10 yards or something. I don't know, I loved it. I'm placing another order tomorrow. I've never ordered from anywhere else, mostly because I've just never ventured out, but I heard good things about this and about this shop, and I love it. And there's a lot of colors to choose from. So many colors that I literally want to put every single one of them in my cart, and I have to go through at the end and kind of like, oh, I don't really need this. No, I don't really need this. So love that store. In a pinch, I will go to Walmart. They carry the Offray brand, which is my all-time favorite. The quality is, I love it. I've never ordered offline. I wouldn't know how to do that. I don't know if they're still open. I heard something that they were closing, or maybe it was Shift that was closing. I have no idea. But Walmart carries it, and I think it's like 3 yards for like $4, so it's not worth it compared to places you can get ribbon for cheaper. I love the quality. They have pretty much all your primary colors, pink, light pink, purple. I mean, I know those aren't primary, but you know what I mean. You know, popular colors, I mean. So in a pinch, I'll go there. Also, I used to buy ribbon from Hobby Lobby when I first started out. And let me tell you, Hobby Lobby has cute prints. They really do. This is a print at Hobby Lobby, the Ribbon Boutique brand. And this is the print. Let me show you the printed side. Super cute. Adorable. I'm not sure how much it was, like, oh, $3.99 for 3 yards, which again is pretty much $4 for 3 yards, as opposed to $3 for 10 yards. You see what I'm saying? So you get more for your money elsewhere, but the prints are adorable, so I'm not against buying prints in there. Hobby Lobby brand has solid colors, 1.5 inch width and down, 1.5 inch, maybe 1 inch, 7/8 inch, 3/8 inch, solid colors. They're supposed to be grosgrain. They have the lines in them, you can see it, but it gives off a really big shine, kind of like satin ribbon. Grosgrain is not supposed to shine like that. The quality at Hobby Lobby for their grosgrain, their solid grosgrain, is not good quality. But any ribbon like 2 inches and above from Hobby Lobby, as far as grosgrain, they are good quality, I would say. I've bought it before. You can see the lines in it. It's not shiny like the other stuff. I mean, it's kind of, but it's not the same quality. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. But 2 inches and upwards, 2 inch, 2 1/4 inch, 3 inch, 3.5 inch. I think they have 4 inches over there. Those are all right to buy. They're solid. They have neon colors. I've bought from there before. I've used those before, and I would just not do anything 1.5 inch width downward. I think that's it as far as ribbon goes. Oh, no, there's a Facebook group called D-Stash Divas, and that's actually where I got this from. It's 3 inches, 3 inch width, and I got it from a gal there. They de-stash stuff at amazing prices. So I would find the group, join it, follow the rules for sure. There's a ton of ladies in there, and I can't imagine being an admin to all those ladies. That's all I have to say about ribbon. I see a lot of questions on this bow page that I'm part of. It's called Bowmakers 101, also on Facebook. Also a pretty good group, but you also need to follow the rules. So join it. Extremely helpful ladies in there. A lot of tutorials in the files and stuff. It's not a selling page. It's to help Bowmaker's out, and I've seen questions on the wall lately in that group about picture taking. I use my iPhone 8 Plus to take pictures in portrait mode. I don't know anything about Androids or Samsungs or any other brand other than Apple. I'm an Apple person completely. So I'm assuming if you have a newer phone, I guarantee they have as good picture taking abilities as Apple. Does that make sense? Any newer phone is gonna have a nice camera on it, basically is what I'm saying. But iPhone has portrait mode. I think it's iPhone 7s that start with it, but don't quote me on that. I take it in portrait mode. I take my pictures in sunlight in my house, just right inside my dining room window. I have a big window. It goes from like ceiling to floor. It works out perfectly. And I take them on this sheet of paper I got from Hobby Lobby. It's pretty plain. It still looks cute, very professional, nice. It's just scrapbook paper. It's 59 cents, the Paper Studio. They usually have sales too, like half off. So I usually get a few pieces in case I have a few bows. I just tape this together and slap the bows on it and take a picture. But yes, I would not recommend anything too busy for a background. There are different designs of the wood. I've seen people use the brick background before, but like I said, I wouldn't recommend anything too busy. You want the main focus to be on your bow. Take it in good lighting. Like I said, I take it inside, right near a window. You don't want to take it in direct sunlight because you're gonna have just it's not gonna come out right, like the lighting part of it. I use a tall vase, pretty tall vase. It's really skinny, just a flower vase, glass, and I set it on the paper, put the bow on top, and I use my portrait mode. And I usually stand. I'm 5'7", and I was standing up taking a picture of this little bow. Actually, if I can figure it out, like I said, I'll put a picture of the picture I took on the screen, and that's the picture that I got with my phone in the right lighting, and I edited it all on my iPhone. So as long as you have good lighting, you don't need a fancy DSLR, you don't need you don't need much in order to take a good picture. So I know some ladies use a light box. I would love to have a light box. I may just splurge and order one. I don't think they're too expensive. But I also find like just sunlight. So if you don't want to order a light box, sunlight is good. You'll see in the picture that I posted, I have a little watermark. It's my little pineapple. It's Little Golden Pineapple is my business name. I changed it. I made the little graphic pineapple in the corner. If you cannot do that, download PixArt. I'm pretty sure it's available in the Play Store. I think that's the Android place. The App Store on iPhones. I'm pretty sure you can get it anywhere. That's where I put my watermark on my pictures. I go into PixArt, upload the photo of the bow, whatever picture that you want to add the watermark to. There's an option called Add Photo. You have to scroll at the bottom of the app. Add Photo. It'll come up with your pictures. Scroll through, find your watermark. It has to be a PNG, if I'm not mistaken, it's called PNG. I don't know what it stands for, but that's what it has to be because it will have no background. It'll just be your logo that you can stick on anywhere. You upload it, you resize it, you save it to your camera roll, and that's how I do it. What's next? What is next? Oh, let's cover this. I use a Surebonder glue gun. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby always has a 40% off coupon, one item. So if you don't go on a week where ribbon is half off, I think these glue guns have been on sale before. You can always use that 40% off coupon. I don't remember how much this was, but it's a fine tip glue gun. I need a new one. I don't know. My glue gun has been leaking a lot lately, so I'm actually gonna go get a different one this week. So that's the kind of glue gun I use. I use high temp glue gun, high temp glue sticks. I get Gorilla Glue sticks from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Find a good pair of scissors. I'm left-handed. Both my husband and I are left-handed. That's a fun fact. People are like, wow, that's really weird. I've never heard of that before. Or rare or whatever. But yeah, we're both left-handed. But I just have these Fisker scissors. I actually need a new pair. I feel like I need to treat myself with a glue gun and scissors. But yeah, just any old pair, I guess. What else? Just kind of going through like pretty much like just the basics. But I also have this mat. that I bought when I first started out. I got it at Walmart. It's $9.97 at Walmart. There's bigger ones, there's smaller ones. This is the one I have, 18 inches across, and it's double-sided. It's amazing. So I can just slap my ribbon out and measure it. Clips. Like I mentioned this group before, D-Stash Divas. I'm pretty sure I can get a better deal on clips in that group, but I just have not ventured out. I don't really like waiting for stuff in the mail. I do with my ribbon because it's such a good price, but I get my clips at Sally's Beauty. And I just get the double prong. There's 100 in a box for like $8, I think, so it's really not that great of a price. The quality is fine, so I just get them from Sally's. I just use a regular needle. I don't even know. I try to get the bigger ones. Not too big, not like thick-wise. I try to get the longer ones because they're easier to work with, but I can't tell you anything specific. I use upholstery thread that I just get from, well, anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. I got this from Walmart, I think, but upholstery is extremely strong. I used to not sew anything. If you look at some of my older videos, I used, I don't even know what it's called anymore. It was some type of string, like yarn-ish, but stronger, and it worked. None of those bows have fallen apart still, but I used to not sew anything, and I can't imagine not sewing now. But those are just some little basics. I'm sure you guys knew. I'm just gonna throw them in there though. Another thing that I'm gonna talk about that I highly recommend is this. It's called the Brilliant Bowmaker. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. It's $50, but you can use your 40% off coupon, so it comes out to like $30. I've ordered this online for one of my friends on Amazon for $30, so you can order it either place and get the same price. But I got the ultimate kit. There is another kit, and I think it's called, I don't know what it's called. There's another kit, a different one at Hobby Lobby. Get the ultimate one. It has the one with the snap templates to make your twisted boutique bows. Always use it. I used to freehand and they came out great still. If you just want to make your life a little easier with the templates or you want to try them out, the ultimate kit is the one with the snap templates. It also comes with the classic templates, look like this. They come with a lot of different sizes templates for different size with the ribbon, obviously. The classic bow looks like this. Now this one's like, I doubled up the ribbon because I didn't want the underside of the print ribbon to show up. But this is what a classic looks like. I use those templates to make those. That's also the ultimate kit. And then it comes with surround templates. I have not even opened those templates. I don't know what they do. But it comes, this kit, oh, the kit also comes with the surround templates. So ultimate kit at Hobby Lobby or Amazon. I think she might even sell the templates separately, like if you just wanted the snap templates. The lady who makes this is called the Little Pink Ladybug. I'm sure you could Google that and it might come up with her website, and I think she does sell the templates separately if you don't want the whole kit. But I highly, highly, highly recommend this. It will change your bow game forever. I have videos on how to make the boutique bows and the classic bows on my channel already. If you want to check those out. That was my middle child. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what else I could say. The lighters are just any old lighter that I have to heat seal my ribbon with. I've made my own templates for pinwheel bows. These are pinwheel bows. I made my own template out of some cardboard stuff. It's harder than cardboard, but that's what the template looks like. You just wrap the ribbon around. Oh, another thing. One other thing. People have asked me in my videos about my snap clip. It's a huge clip. It's pretty big. It's really hard plastic. I got it from, I think, Hair Bow Supply, etc. Google that also. If I remember to put the link down below, I will. But that's where I got it. I also got a pack of 3 off of Amazon for like $5. And I just typed in Jumbo Salon Clip. That's what it's called. Jumbo Salon Clip. This is what I get. I also have a wire one, like a metal wire one from Hobby Lobby. I don't like it as much. I don't love it at all, actually. I don't know if I still have it, but I love this. When I was freehanding, this is what I use and everything, and I've gotten a lot of questions about that. I'm not even sure if that's where I got it from though, but just Amazon it. I would Amazon it and figure that out. But I think I covered everything. The next video will be a tutorial, so stay tuned.